Blackheads, those tiny dark spots on your skin, can be frustrating. They often appear on the nose but can also pop up on your forehead, chin, and back. They happen when pores get clogged with oil and dead skin cells. This gunk oxidizes in the air, turning that dark color we all know as blackheads. Blackheads are very common. Almost everyone will experience them at some point in their lives. Don't worry, they're not harmful. However, most people want to get rid of them because they can make skin look uneven. The good news is that there are many ways to treat blackheads. You can try simple home remedies or consult with a dermatologist for professional treatments. Remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine for the best results. Blackheads form when pores get clogged. But what exactly causes this clogging? Several factors can contribute to blackheads. Excess oil production is a major culprit. When your skin produces too much sebum, it can mix with dead skin cells and plug up your pores. Hormonal changes, like those during puberty or pregnancy, can also lead to increased oil production. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, including making you more prone to blackheads. Additionally, certain lifestyle habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can contribute to blackhead formation. Using comedogenic skincare and makeup products can also clog your pores. Comedogenic means pore clogging. Look for products labeled as non-comedogenic to help prevent blackheads. Many people confuse sebaceous filaments with blackheads. While they might look similar, they are not the same. Understanding the difference can help you treat your skin correctly. Sebaceous filaments are natural and healthy. They are tiny, hair-like tubes in your pores that help transport sebum to the skin's surface. Sebaceous filaments are usually a light yellowish or grayish color. They are flat and smooth, not raised like blackheads. Blackheads are clogged pores. They occur when sebum, dead skin cells, and other debris get trapped in the pore, oxidize, and turn black. Blackheads are typically darker than sebaceous filaments and may feel bumpy to the touch. It's important to note that you shouldn't try to remove sebaceous filaments. They are a normal part of your skin, and squeezing them can irritate your skin. Section 4, 5-minute blackhead removal hacks. Let's face it, we all want quick and easy solutions for clearer skin. While there's no magic wand to instantly banish blackheads, there are some effective 5-minute home remedies you can try. Lemon and sea salt mask. This invigorating mask combines the cleansing power of lemon and sea salt. Lemon juice helps to dissolve excess oil and tighten pores, while the gentle abrasive action of sea salt helps to dislodge blackheads. How to use it. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of fine sea salt with half a teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water to create a paste. 2. Apply the paste to your nose or other areas with blackheads. 3. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Leave it on for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to dry. 5. Rinse off with warm water, followed by a splash of cold water to tighten pores. 6. Moisturize as usual. 7. Repeat this treatment once a week. Oatmeal and yogurt scrub. This gentle scrub is perfect for sensitive skin. Oatmeal soothes and moisturizes, while yogurt provides gentle exfoliation with lactic acid. How to use it. 1. Combine 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. 2. Mix well to form a smooth paste. 3. Apply the paste evenly on your nose and other areas with blackheads. 4. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Honey and milk cleansing strips. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. How to use it. 1. Mix equal parts of raw honey and milk. 2. Warm the mixture in the microwave for 5 seconds. 3. Soak cotton strips in the warm honey milk mixture. 4. Place the strips on your nose, ensuring they adhere well. 5. Leave the strips on for about 20 minutes. 6. Gently peel off the strips. 7. Rinse your face with cold water. Cinnamon cleansing strips. Cinnamon is a natural antibacterial agent that can help to dry out blackheads. How to use it. 1. Create a paste by mixing a teaspoon of cinnamon powder with a few drops of water. 2. Apply a thin layer of the paste to your nose. 3. Let it dry completely. 4. Gently peel off the dried cinnamon mask. Green tea and sugar scrub. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, while sugar acts as a natural exfoliant. How to use it. 1. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. 2. Mix 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea with enough sugar to create a paste. 3. Gently rub the paste onto your nose in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. rinse off with warm water and moisturize. Section 5. Additional skincare tips for blackhead prevention. While these quick fixes can help remove existing blackheads, preventing new ones from forming is key to maintaining clear skin. Here are some essential skincare tips. Cleanse twice daily. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser formulated for your skin type. This helps remove dirt, oil and makeup that can clog pores. Avoid harsh soaps, which can strip your skin of its natural oils and lead to more oil production. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week helps remove dead skin cells that can contribute to blackheads. Choose a chemical exfoliant with salicylic acid or glycolic acid for best results. Use non-comedogenic products. Opt for skincare products and makeup labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog pores. This is especially important for products you leave on your skin, such as moisturizers and sunscreens. Keep your hands off your face. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and dirt to your skin, increasing the risk of breakouts. Avoid picking or squeezing blackheads, as this can further irritate the skin and potentially lead to scarring. Change your pillowcases regularly. Pillowcases can accumulate dirt, oil and bacteria from your skin and hair. Change your pillowcases at least once a week, or more often if you have oily skin or acne-prone skin. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can contribute to overall skin health. Manage stress levels, as stress can trigger oil production and worsen breakouts. Section 6. The importance of patience and consistency. Achieving clear skin takes time and effort. There's no overnight solution, and what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient with your skin and don't expect immediate results. It may take several weeks or even months of consistent care to see significant improvement. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Establish a regular routine and stick to it. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep in mind that everyone's skin is unique and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have persistent or severe blackheads, consider consulting with a dermatologist. They can help determine the underlying cause of your blackheads and recommend the best treatment options for your skin type. Section 7. Conclusion. Achieving clearer skin. Blackheads are a common skin concern that can be effectively managed with the right approach. By understanding the causes of blackheads, differentiating them from sebaceous filaments, and adopting a consistent skincare routine, you can achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin. Remember to be patient, consistent, and gentle with your skin. With the right care and attention, you can achieve the clear complexion you desire.